Sandblasting, sometimes called abrasive blasting, is used to clean and prepare surfaces for a coating. There are many types of abrasive blasting media for different applications. To choose the right blasting media for your application, you should consider profile depth, surface cleanliness, dusting levels, rust delay, and environmental impact. The particle size, shape, and density of an abrasive, along with blasting pressure, determines profile depth. Coarse materials strip surfaces faster and leave a rougher profile. For urban areas, you should avoid blasting media that generate excess dust. Each media has a different ability to limit rust bloom on metal. While some blasting media is eco-friendly, others are not. Some blasting media is reusable, allowing you to save costs. Types of blasting media include silica sand, baking soda, steel shot, aluminum oxide, glass beads, silicon carbide, garnet sand, walnut shells, and superoxalloy. Silica sand is a well-known abrasive, but it can cause serious health issues and should not be used. Baking soda is used for soft surfaces but creates a lot of dust. Steel shot creates minimal dust, but inhaling it could harm workers. Aluminum oxide delivers an even finish on metals, but it could also harm workers. Glass beads are effective for polishing, but they're not eco-friendly. Silicon carbide is one of the strongest media types, but it has a high price point. Garnet sand is cost-effective, but it causes steel to flash rust quickly. Crushed walnut shells are environmentally friendly, but they're too soft to leave a profile in metal. Superoxalloy is high performance, delays rust bloom, and is non-toxic for workers and the environment. It also remains intact on impact, allowing blasters to reuse it. To choose the best blasting media, consider worker safety, project speed, and the profile you want to leave behind. Blasters deserve better. Purchase blasting media from 10x Engineered Materials.